Welcome children. This is Trinity Academy Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I am M. Shyamala, your EVS teacher. Now I am going to teach Lesson 3 Light, Sound and Force. Let's move on to the lesson children. First we will see light. The sun is the main source of light. We also get light from candles, electric bulbs, torches and lamps. These light giving objects are called luminous objects. Next, objects which do not give light are called non-luminous objects. For example, chair, toys, ball, ladder, boy, pen, table, etc. The next one is shadow. Light travels in straight lines called rays. When something comes in the way of light or blocks the path of light, a shadow is formed. The earth revolves around the sun. The sun's light falls on the earth. The moon revolves around the earth. The moon reflects the light of the sun. The next one is solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon blocks the light of the sun. The shadow of the moon falls on the earth and the sun cannot be seen or is partially hidden. Next, lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs when the earth blocks the light of the sun. The shadow of the earth falls on the moon and the moon cannot be seen. Next, sound. We hear various types of sounds every day. The chirping of birds, the ringing of doorbells, the honking of horns are some of them. When we speak or laugh, we produce sound. Next, types of sounds. Some sounds make you feel happy while others irritate you. There are two types of sound. First one, pleasant sound. Second one, unpleasant sound. We should speak softly. We should play music and TV at a low volume. Next topic is force. When we push or pull something, we apply force and do work. This push or pull is called force. Force can do many things. Force can move an object. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the shape of an object. Okay children, now I recall the lesson once again shortly. Light enables us to see the world around us. Luminous objects give us light. When something comes in the way of light or blocks the path of light, a shadow is formed. Some sounds are pleasant, some are not. An unpleasant sound is called noise. Pushing or pulling something means applying force. Thank you children. We will see in the next class. Thank you.